The problem statement in question 9 is as follows. If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and -8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So I'm going to show you two ways to solve this. One is a simple visualization that can help you solve it quickly within a few seconds. And then the other is the writing the solution out algebraically, which is what you would do on a test or an exam. So first, look at this picture, which shows you the terms of an AP, of the AP, going from T3 to T9 and all the other terms of the AP in between. So we are given that T3 is 4 and T9 is -8. And to get from T3 to T9 in the AP, we have to make 6 jumps of the common difference. So for example, to go from T3 to T4, we need this jump of the common difference D, and so on. So we have 6 jumps of the common difference. So 6 jumps of the common difference, or 6D, takes us from 4 to -8. And what is the difference between -8 and 4? So -8 minus 4 is -12. So 6 jumps of the common difference takes us from 4 to -8, or a change of -12. So 6D must be equal to -12, or D must be equal to -2. And this means that because T3 is 4, then T4 will be 2 and T5 will be 0. So the term of the AP which is 0 is T5. But now let me show you how to write out the solution more rigorously if it were to come on a test or an exam. So we will start by assuming that the first term of the AP is A and the common difference is D. Okay. Now we're given that the third term is 4. So let's first make use of this fact. So T3 is equal to 4. Now let's use the expression for the nth term of an AP. So T3 in terms of A and D, this can be written as A plus n minus 1D. So n is 3. So n minus 1 is 2. So A plus 2D is equal to 4. And then we are also told that T9 is equal to -8. So this means that A plus n minus 1D, or A plus 8D, is equal to -8. So now we have these two linear equations in A and D. So let's write them out here. So A plus 2D is equal to 4 and A plus 8D is equal to -8. So now to solve this pair, we can subtract the two equations. So let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. So we can do 2 minus 1. So by 2 minus 1, what will we get? On the left side, we'll get 8D minus 2D. So that's 6D. So 6D, and on the right side, we'll get -8 minus 4. So that's -12. And this is the exact same equation we obtained when we were visualizing the key idea behind the solution. So 6D is equal to -12, and this means that D is equal to -2. And now if we substitute this value of D into the first term, into the first equation, what do we get? So we get A plus 2D, so A minus 4 is equal to 4, and this means that A is equal to 8. So we have found the value of D and we found the value of A. Now all that remains to be done is to find the position of the term 0 in the AP. So let me clear out the area on the left side. Okay, so if the required position is n, then we have A plus n minus 1D. This should be equal to 0. And now we substitute the values of A and D. So A is 8 plus n minus 1 times D is -2. This is equal to 0. Let's expand the expression on the left side. So A minus 8 minus 2n plus 2 is equal to 0. And this gives us 2n is equal to 10, or n is equal to 5. So the term of the AP that is equal to 0 is the fifth term. And this is exactly what we obtained when we were solving the problem directly through visualization. So, in AP, the thing is that it's very easy if you visualize what's happening, if you visualize the situation, it's very easy to understand how to solve the problem and the key idea behind the problem. So even if you have to write out the answer algebraically or rigorously like the way I did, make sure that you mentally at least visualize what is happening behind the scene? What is the key idea behind the problem?
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.